KITV4. More local morning news continues.
Good morning, welcome back, and we're joined right outside KITV studios with the UH engineering team, and this really fast car. And joining me now is Albert and also Matt. So tell us, why is this so important? You have something coming up this summer that you need people to help with.
Yes, so we're going to have a competition this June in Lincoln, Nebraska. Basically, we'll be taking this car and competing against about 79 different schools.
Tell us about this car. It's been since August that you started working on this car. How hard has it been?
It's been very difficult. We've faced many engineering challenges when we've come to building this car. We had 20 people working on it, and we each had separate components that we had to build.
And what's so special about this car, and why do you think you're going to beat all the other mainland teams?
Basically because we built it. We spent the whole year designing it. And then coming from Hawaii, you know, we're going to bring our own special twist to it. So it should be a good time.
Of course, the big question I have, how fast can this car go?
Currently, the way it's set up, we can go about 75 miles an hour.
So none of the speed limits here. You can pass speed limits here on Oahu. Perfect.
Yeah, definitely.
And you've got a fundraiser coming up. How can people join in?
So we're having a fundraiser this Saturday. It's going to be at the 76 gas station on King Street. It's next to the McDonald's, and then it's just a car wash.
Perfect. And again, which class is this for? How many people are in that class?
So this is for our senior design class, and there's about 20 people in the mechanical engineering senior design.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Maybe we can drive this around after the show. Safety is always a concern. So right now there's no, you have to wear helmets to operate this vehicle. What are your safety procedures?
We have to wear a race suit for fire protection and the 5-point harness and helmets.
And of course, it's a one-person car. Who gets to go first? Is there everybody who's driven this, or what's your plan?
There's currently 4 people that are being drivers for the competition.
Great, and tell us about a little bit more about the competition. What do you guys get to do? What do you get to show off?
So for the competition, it's basically broken into 2 parts. There's like design presentations, cost reports, and then there's an actual driving event where we get to drive the car against the other schools. And so it's basically that.
So you guys will you invite us to come up and maybe drive for you? Would you trust us from behind the wheel? Or do these have to be expert drivers as engineer students?
We're all amateur drivers. We've participated in SCCA to practice, but basically any of us, starting in the beginning of the year, we decided that the people who are going to drive were going to go practicing, start with go-karts, and then also participate in the SCCA events that we have here at the UH Stadium.
Perfect. Thank you guys so much for joining us. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll be sure to follow your journey. Of course, talking about roads, talking about going fast. How about the traffic this morning?